Today we are making a delicious zero oil matara chaat that captures the bold and authentic flavors of Delhi's famous white peas chaat. First, we need to prepare our matara. Start by soaking 1 cup of white peas in water for about 6 to 8 hours. This soaking process is crucial as it helps to soften the peas, making them easier to cook and significantly shortening the boiling time. After soaking, the white peas become larger in size just like this. Transfer them into a pressure cooker, add a teaspoon of salt. Now pressure cook them for 20 minutes. This process takes around 3 to 4 whistles until they are soft and mushy. Then allow the cooker to cool naturally before opening it. When you do it, you will find that your peas should be creamy and incredibly soft like this. Now we have the desired texture. Now for the final cooking, it's time to cut the ginger into juliennes. This will add a zesty flavor in the chaat. Take a pan, add pressure cooked matra, chopped green chilies, ginger cut into juliennes, a tablespoon of green chutney, tablespoon of matra masala. This will give our chaat an authentic taste. Now stir and combine all these ingredients well and then cover the pan with a lid. Now we'll cook this mixture until it reaches a boil and then lower the heat. Allow this mixture to simmer on lower heat until the chaat thickens slightly. Squeeze in some lemon juice and this is where all the flavor starts melding together. Time for the finishing touch. Now to add the freshness, we'll chop a tomato which will add a tangy kick in the chaat. Now serve the matra in a bowl. Finish it off with some chopped green chilies, ginger julienne, a drizzle of tamarind chutney and some freshly chopped tomatoes. You can enjoy this matra chaat as is, or if you are feeling fancy, pair it with a toasted no maida kulcha. To prepare the kulcha, heat a tablespoon of ghee in a pan, then you place your no maida kulcha on it. After a few moments, take it out. Sprinkle some chopped coriander on the surface, press the kulcha against the coriander. Flip it to toast the other side as well. And there you have it, your delicious matra chaat is ready to be served. Opt out of kulcha if you want complete gluten-free meal. Try this recipe and dive right into our vibrant flavors of Delhi chaat that is healthy and protein rich. And also let me know in the comments below what do you think of this recipe. If you love healthy street food like this, be sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I'll be back with more recipes like this. Until then, happy cooking! This is so good. This matra chaat tastes exactly like Delhi street style, but with the added bonus that it is healthy, hygienic, and homemade. So you should definitely give it a try.